Today we're gonna look at this amazing piece of accessory for the Mercedes-Benz. And I bought this online, and I have to say, I think it's something really cool to have. And for those folks who have a Mercedes-Benz, I think you'll be absolutely interested to watch this video, because this thing is really cool accessory for the car. And what do we have? This is, let's see, Mercedes-Benz genuine parts. The box looks, look at that. I don't know where this QR code goes, but maybe it goes into the wormhole, into space, right? Maybe to Jupiter, to Mars. I don't know where it goes, so don't QR that. Anyway, this is what it is. This video is about the Mercedes-Benz emblem, and not just any emblem. This is a special emblem, because this one is GLD. Okay, you know what that is. That is, it spells with the missing O, and this is what it is. Are you ready? Ta-da! Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that gold Mercedes-Benz emblem. Oh yeah, I'm excited already, you know. Imagine this on your car and it will look absolutely stunning. Alright, and just let's open up the box here so we can take it out like we take it out. And I don't want to put my fingerprints on the the nice gold, so that's how it looks like. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Ooh. See, look at that shine. Oh my god, imagine your emblem is gold on the Mercedes-Benz. Look at that, gold plated Mercedes-Benz emblem, feel of pride, full of excellence. If you're a Mercedes-Benz fanboy, fangirl, this is what you need. Alright, some folks from Dubai will be jumping on this video already, looking at this gold, because they got a whole city full of gold. So, and the folks from Brunei as well, I think they're gonna jump on this gold thingy as well. I couldn't find a Maybach gold one, but I could find a Mercedes-Benz gold one. So this is how it looks like with all its glory at the back too. I'm not gonna touch it, because all my fingerprints are gonna go and it's gonna spoil the first impressions, right? So, and that's what it is. And maybe I have to touch it as well, yeah, so that I can show you the bottom part here. Otherwise, you know. So that's what it is. And look at that. Look at that. Down here as well. Very solid. Very solid. I don't think it's gonna fall off. Really nice. This will be for the hood, you know. In the hood, you know, you have the old emblem, the flat one. I'll get the flat one. If you've seen my previous video, I did have the flat emblem, and that one was also really nice. I'm gonna take that one. So in my previous video, if you haven't seen it, I have the gold Mercedes-Benz emblem, which is this one. But this one is like the flat version, the flat surface version. Okay, it's also in gold color. Go back and watch that video if you want to see all the other stuff that I've unboxed in that video. I'll link it up at the end of the video. And this is the one we're going to have a look today. And I have to say, this thing in my own eyes looks absolutely gorgeous. Putting this on your hood, and this is wow. It's just wow. Look at that gold. From far you'll be thinking this is 24 karat gold, gold plated 24 karat gold. And look at the Mercedes Benz there with the blue essence. Look at that. And it has this cutouts. Look at the texture on it. It's not flat, it actually has a texture to it. Really, really nice. And look at that. Beautiful. Oh my god. So yes, if you're a person who are very like attention to detail a little bit, so you might want to love to get one of this stuff and put it on your car too, but don't get obsessed about it, because the colors do fade after sitting under the sun for a while, so it's not going to look like this. You gotta polish it from time to time, or just go buy a new one. I got this actually very affordable price though, yeah, like I always do on the channel, for the channel. And yeah, that's just myself, and I am really good in finding stuff for a good deal. So if you like what you see, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. But this is looking really, really good, and the box is also very, very complimenting to the content that's inside it, which is a good thing. So here it is, folks, the emblem for the Mercedes-Benz W212, and it's really, really nice though. And I think a lot of other Mercedes-Benz too can also use it, the W204 as well. You got to check the socket if it fits though, and many other cars too. I think many other Mercedes-Benz models can actually fit this emblem. I'm not really sure, but I bought it for one of the specific models, which were interesting, right? Because I could only find this one for sale. It's really rare to find this gold one actually. Usually they always sell the normal silver one, which comes standard from the factory, and that's very easy to find. But to get the gold one, you know, you really have to go out there and search. And a lot of people are asking, does it move? It doesn't move. I'm not sure if it moves. Oh, it doesn't move like a normal one, so it stays stationary in its socket, which is nice. I'm not sure whether it does move. I'm not gonna put my fingerprints again on it, so I start to ruin the shine on it. Yeah, so it looks like this. Okay, it stays like that. Okay folks, I don't want to make this video too long. It's been 8 minutes already, so if you like this content, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more fun stuff like this on the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.